This 2009 Airstream Classic Limited 27FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 27 feet 9 inches in length and features sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, air conditioning, LP detector, leveling jacks, awning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, water heater, refrigerator, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2009 Airstream Classic Limited 27FB is 6,525 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.